Here we have the problem on functions. The function f r to r defined by f of x is equal to x minus 1, x minus 2, x minus 3 is 1 1 but not on 2 but not 1 1, both 1 1 and on 2, neither 1 1 nor on 2 are the options given. So function, what function is given here? Here f of x is equal to, this is x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 is the function is given. So what is f of 1 is equal to 0, f of 2 is equal to 0, f of 3 is equal to 0. f of 1 is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, 0 into something 0. f of 2 is equal to 2 minus 2, 2 minus something 0. f of 3 is equal to 3 minus 3, this is 0 into something 0. So f of 1 comma f of 2 comma f of 3 are same image, that is 0. So that is f of x not 1 1 function. Okay, all of you. Then you check out for onto function. That is, if y is equal to f of x, then f of x is onto. Okay. Here you see f of x is equal to, this is by multiplication x cube minus 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6x square. Okay, 6x cube, 6x cube plus 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3, 11, 11x square minus 2 3 just 6, 6 1 just, this is 6 equal to 0. So you observe here, f of x is equal to y. You give, this is x belongs to R, then f of x belongs to R. Then we say f of x is onto function. F of x is not 1 1 function. F of x is onto function. Then we say onto but not 1 1. So option 2 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here we have one more problem from functions. If f of x plus 2 f of 1 by x is equal to 3x, x not equal to 0, and s is equal to x belongs to R such that f of x is equal to f of minus x, then s is an empty set. Options are is an empty set. Option 2 contains exactly one element. Option 3 contains exactly two elements. Option 4 contains more than two elements. So here we have given equation f of x plus 2 f of 1 by x is equal to 3x, and condition is given f of x is equal to f of minus x. Here we have to find first what is f of x function. So here you see f of x plus 2 f of 1 by x is equal to 3x. This is equation 1. You substitute x is equal to 1 by x, that is f of 1 by x plus 2 into f of x is equal to 3 by x. Okay, all of you. Then this is equation 2. So you can eliminate f of 1 by x. That's why you can multiply equation 2 with 2. Okay. So equate these two terms, that is equation 2, that is equation 2, 2 f of x plus equation 2 into 2, 2 f of x, 2 into f of 1 by x, f of 1 by x, 2 to the 4, f of x is equal to 6 by x, this one. And this one you say plus f of x, this is 2 f of 1 by x is equal to 3x. So by subtraction, this will be cancelled. 4 f of x minus f of x. 3 f of x is equal to 6 by x minus 3x. Okay, all of you? Then what is the value? So 3 f of x is equal to 3 common 2 by x minus 3 minus x. 2 by x, 3 cancel. What is f of x? F of x is equal to 2 by x minus x. Okay, all of you. Here we have given the condition f of x is equal to f of minus x. So what is f of minus x? F of minus x is equal to minus 2 by x. Here minus x substitute plus x. Here f of x is equal to f of minus x. F of x is equal to f of minus x. So 2 by x minus x is equal to minus 2 by x plus x. You can take this into this side, this into this side. What is the remaining? So you can write here, this is 2 by x plus 2 by x. 4 by x is equal to x plus x, 2x, 2 to 2 by x is equal to x, by cross multiplication 2 is equal to x square. Then x square is equal to 2 implies x is equal to plus or minus root 2. So x is equal to plus 2, x is equal to minus 2. Then it is an empty set, contain exactly one element, contain exactly two elements. So this S contains exactly two elements. Option 3 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you? Option 3 is the correct answer. Here we have given one more problem on functions. The domain of the function f of x is equal to root over 7 minus 3x plus log x base e is. Options are given. First option 0 less than x less than infinitive. Second option 7 by 3 less than or equal to x less than infinitive. Third option 0 less than x is less than or equal to 7 by 3. Fourth option minus infinity less than x is less than 0. Okay, all of you. So you see what is the function given. F of x is equal to, this is root over 7 minus 3x plus log x base c. Okay, all of you. Then here this is g of x. You take, this is h of x. G of x is equal to what? Root over 7 minus 3x. So this 7 minus 3x, 7 minus 3x greater than or equal to 0. Then this is 7 greater than or equal to 3x. 3x less than or equal to 7. X less than or equal to 7 by 3. X less than or equal to 7 by 3. Means what? X belongs to minus infinity to 7 by 3. If x is equal to 0, this is the domain of this function. If 7 by 3 is there, This is closed interval 7 by 3. And one more, here h of x you take. H of x is equal to log x base. X greater than or equal to 0. X greater than 0 means x belongs to, that is 0 to infinity. X belongs to 0 to infinity. So here g of x function, g of x domain intersection h of x domain. You see, this is from minus infinity to 7 by 3. This is from 0 to infinity. So this is the number line. This is 0 minus infinity to up to 7 by 3. 3, 2, that is, suppose this is 1, this is 2, this is 3. This is the 7 by 3 approximately. Okay, this is the first function g of x domain. And what is the h of x domain? 0 to infinity. 0 to infinity. So what is the common domain? Common domain 0 to 0 to, this is 0 to. Common domain is this one. Common domain is this one. Therefore, domain is 0 less than x is less than or equal to 7 by 3. If x is equal 0 less than x is less than or equal to 7 by 3. So 0 less than x is less than or equal to 7 by 3 is the domain of common domain of these two functions. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you. Here one more problem is given from functions. The range of the function f of x is equal to 1 by 2 minus cos 3x is. Option 1 is open interval minus 2 to infinity. Option 2 closed interval minus 2 to 3. Option 3 open interval 1 by 3 comma 2. Option 4 1 closed interval 1 by 3 comma 1. Okay, here function is given f of x is equal to 1 by 2 minus cos 3x. This is the function is given. So here you take this function cos 3x. Cos 3x less than or equal to minus 1, less than or equal to 1. This is the range of the cos function. Then here minus cos 3x is there. So 1 greater than or equal to minus cos 3x greater than or equal to minus 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to minus cos 3x less than or equal to 1. Okay, all of you. Then 2 is there. 2 minus 1 less than or equal to 2 minus cos 3x less than or equal to 1, 2 plus 1. Then what is this one? 1 less than or equal to 2 minus cos 3x less than or equal to 3. Then this will be 1 greater than or equal to 1 by 2 minus cos 3x greater than or equal to 1 by 3. Then 1 by 3 less than or equal to 1 by 2 minus cos 3x less than or equal to 1. So 1 by 3 less than or equal to f of x less than or equal to 1. Then what is the range? Range of f of x belongs to closed interval 1 by 3 comma 1. So here option 4 is the correct answer. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here we have one more problem from functions. If a is equal to set of x such that pi by 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 3. and f of x is equal to cos x minus x of 1 plus x. Then f of a is equal to, here options are given, closed interval 1 by 2 minus pi by 3 comma pi square by 9, root 3 by 2 minus pi by 6 minus pi square by 36. Second option, closed interval 1 by 2 plus pi by 3 minus pi square by 9, root 3 by 2 plus pi by 6 minus pi square by 36. Option 3, closed interval 1 by 2 minus pi by 3 minus pi square by 9, comma, root 3 by 2 minus pi by 6 minus pi square by 36. Here, none of these. Okay, here given. So, what is given function? F of x is equal to, this is cos x minus x of x plus 1, 1 plus x. 1 plus x is given function. Then, here you take, this is f of x, g of x, and this is h of x. Okay, all of you? What is here? Pi by 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 3. Then cos pi by 6 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to cos pi by 3. What is cos pi by 6 value? Cos pi by 6 value is, cos pi by 6 value is root 3 by 2 greater than or equal to cos x greater than or equal to, this is cos pi by 3 value is 1 by 2. Why? Because cos x is the decreasing function. So root 3 by 2 greater than or equal to cos x greater than or equal to 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 less than or equal to cos x less than or equal to root 3 by 2. Okay, all of you. This is first one. Next you go to, this is h of x. Here you observe here pi by 6 less than or equal to x less than or equal to pi by 3 is given. 1 plus pi by 6 less than or equal to 1 plus x less than or equal to 1 plus pi by 3. And also pi by 6 of 1 plus pi by 6 less than or equal to x of 1 plus x less than or equal to pi by 3 of 1 plus pi by 3. Okay, all of you? Then here this one minus of pi by 6, 1 plus pi by 6 greater than or equal to minus x of 1 plus x greater than or equal to minus pi by 3 of 1 plus pi by 3. This can be written as minus pi by 3 of 1 plus pi by 3 less than or equal to minus x of 1 plus x less than or equal to minus pi by 6 of 1 plus pi by 6. Okay, all of you. This is the equation 2. This is the equation 2. Then after equation 1 minus 2 you can write. What is equation 1? Equation 1, 1 by 2 minus pi by 3 of 1 plus pi by 3 less than or equal to cos x minus x of 1 plus x less than or equal to minus pi by, this is root 3 by 2 minus pi by 6 of 1 plus pi by 6. This is the range of this function cos x minus x of 1 plus x. This is the f of a. What is this one? F of a. So 1 by 2 minus pi by 3 of minus pi square by 9 less than or equal to f of a, less than or equal to root 3 by 2 minus pi by 6 minus pi square by 36. This is the range. So what is here? 1 by 2 minus pi by 3 minus pi square by 9 comma root 3 by 2 minus pi by 6 minus pi square by 36 is the range of f of a. F of a. Okay, all of you. That's all. Thank you.